Okay, first of all, good morning to all of you. By the grace of great God and great Vaheguru, please start our today's topic, which is the most important topic after maximum equation. After maximum equation, which is called, the topic name is electromagnetic wave equation for isotropic dielectric non-conducting medium. Non-conducting medium. What's the meaning of non-conducting? जो कंडक्ट ना करता हो, जो कंडक्टर ना करता हो, जिसकी कंडक्टिविटी ना हो, तो जिसकी कंडक्टिविटी नहीं होगी तो रो क्या आ जाएगा? जीरो और जे जीरो, रो जीरो तो जे भी जीरो हो गया, बिकॉज जे सिग्मा जीरो, सॉरी सिग्मा जीरो एंड रो जीरो, दिस इज कॉल्ड द सिग्मा जीरो. Sigma zero. Conductivity, non-conducting means conductivity is not there. Non-conducting medium means conductivity is not there. So sigma is conductivity. Sigma zero and rho zero. If sigma is zero, J is equal to sigma E, which is called Ohm's law. Which is called Ohm's law. So J कितना आ गया? J is zero. J is zero. भाई हिंदी वालों को मैं स्पेशल कह रहा हूँ, आपने बिल्कुल जहाँ पे भी आपको कोई दिक्कत लगे, स्पेशली जीत बेटा आपने रोक देना, ठीक है? एक लाइन में इंग्लिश में बोलूंगा, एक हिंदी में बोलूंगा, ठीक है? बिकॉज वी हैव द इंटरनेशनल गाइस आल्सो, ठीक है? इनको भी देखना, वी हैव टू टेक अकाउंट ऑफ इंटरनेशनल गाय एज वेल एज द नेशनल गाय. आई गेट योर पॉइंट. तो दोनों को करेंगे जहां पे भी. आप बेटा आपका क्या नाम है? क्या पहला दिन आज का? एमडी अमन. स्टार्ट करें. ये दिस इज द कंडीशन. नाउ सी, दिस इज द मीडियम. दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव नॉट प्लेस्ड म्यू नॉट. I have not placed mu naught. See, mu naught and epsilon naught is used for free space, and mu and epsilon are used for medium. This is the point. See, B is equal to mu naught H. This is for the free space. But here the medium is not conducting. Here the medium is not conducting. That is why I have write B is equal to mu H and D is equal to epsilon into E vector. Any doubt? भाई जो मेरा मीडियम है वो नॉन कंडक्टिंग है. मेरा मीडियम क्या है? नॉन कंडक्टिंग है. और नॉन कंडक्टिंग में म्यू नॉट एंड एप्सिलॉन नॉट आर रिप्लेस्ड बाय म्यू एंड एप्सिलॉन. मतलब सिंपल सी बात है, अगर किसी भी एक्सप्रेशन में म्यू नॉट और एप्सिलॉन नॉट होगा, वो फ्री स्पेस का होगा, जिसमें म्यू नॉट और एप्सिलॉन नॉट की जगह पे म्यू और एप्सिलॉन होगा, वो किसके लिए होगा? वो मीडियम के लिए होगा. किसके लिए होगा? मीडियम. For the interested guy, let us say we have a mu naught and epsilon naught appears in some equation. It means that equation is talking about free space. If mu naught and epsilon naught get replaced by mu and epsilon, it means we are talking about a medium. We are talking about a medium. समझ आई आपको बात? Yes sir. Are you getting a point? Yes or no? Yes sir. So see, we are talking about conducting medium. We are talking about a conducting, not free space, not a free space. हम फ्री स्पेस की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. We are not talking about free space. We are talking about a medium. That is why mu not get replaced by mu and epsilon not get replaced by epsilon. Replaced by epsilon. ठीक है. Now what are the maximum equation? Let us write del cross E is equal to minus curly B by curly T. This is first maximum equation. Second maximum equation is del cross H is equal to J plus curly D by curly T. This is third maximum equation. Okay. Second. Third is del dot E is equal to rho. This is third maximum equation. And fourth is del dot B is equal to 0. थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो. शुभम बाबू है. अब ये चार इक्वेशन है मेरे पास. We have four maximum equations. See, now these four maximum equation for our medium becomes, अब ये हमारे मीडियम के लिए इक्वेशन क्या बन जाएगी? The first equation will not change. In the second equation J is 0. J is 0. So let us rewrite this equation. Let us rewrite this equation for our medium. हम इस इक्वेशन को हमारे मीडियम के लिए दोबारा लिखेंगे, ठीक है? So let us rewrite. The first equation is del cross E is equal to minus curly B by curly T. It will not change. It will not change. इतनी तो समझ आती है ना इंग्लिश? Yes sir. जी समझ आ रही है ना? पहली चेंज नहीं हुई या दूसरी चेंज होगी? Yes sir. Is the second will change? Yes sir. J is 0. J is 0. So del cross H is equal to curly B by curly T. Third, not change. It will not change. Oh sorry, third will change. Del dot D is equal to 0. del dot D is equal to 0. And fourth one is
del dot B is equal to 0.
del dot
B.
ठीक है, समझ आ रही है लास्ट हिंदी वाला को समझ आ रही है जी, समझ आया? लेट अस से दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, दिस इज 4, दिस इज 5, दिस इज 6.
सर इसमें और फ्री स्पेस में क्या फर्क है? फ्री स्पेस में तो यही कुछ पीछे
हाँ।
0 होता है
इसमें
सर। फ्री स्पेस में तो यही था ना, यही कोशिश करी थी।
हाँ तो सेम अभी इसमें देखो, ये मीडियम का फर्क आ गया ना, यहाँ पे मीडियम का फर्क आ गया, वहाँ पे म्यू नॉट एप्सिलॉन था, यहाँ पे म्यू इनटू एप्सिलॉन है, ये फर्क है, ठीक है? फॉर द फ्री स्पेस वी यूज म्यू नॉट एंड एप्सिलॉन नॉट, and for the medium we use mu and epsilon. This is the difference. This is the difference. Now we have write 1 2 3 4 5 6. Any doubt? Now I will write this equation here. मैं इस इक्वेशन को दोबारा लिखूंगा. अनमोल, del cross E is equal to minus curly B by curly B. Take curl of equation 3 both sides. सिर्फ 25 मिनट चाहिए मुझे, सिर्फ 25. 5 हो गए, 20 हो गए. टेक कर्ल बोथ साइड, टेक अजी समझ आ रहा है? टेक कर्ल बोथ साइड, टेक कर्ल बोथ साइड्स. क्या आ गया? डेल क्रॉस ई, मतलब दोनों तरफ डेल क्रॉस ले रहे हैं. ये क्या आ गया? डेल क्रॉस माइनस करली बी बाय करली बी. एंड आउट अजीत, इंटरनेशनल. Okay, now see, this minus is constant and curly by curly D is constant, so I can take outside. I can take outside the del, outside the del. क्योंकि del t पे डिपेंड नहीं ना कर रहा है. del में क्या होता है? x y z, और x y z t पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं होता. So I can take outside minus curly by curly D. This becomes del cross B. This becomes del cross B. ठीक है? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
And this B is equal to this B is equal to mu h. This B is equal to
Mu h.
This B is equal to mu h, not mu naught, because we are doing it for the medium. For a
Medium.
For medium, mu naught becomes mu. Mu naught becomes mu. So this becomes del cross E is equal to क्या आया? Minus curly by curly D. Del cross mu h. See, mu is again constant. I can take outside. तो क्या आया? Del cross E is equal to minus mu curly by curly D del cross h. What is del cross h? Del cross h is
curly D by
curly D by curly D. I will write here. Let us say this is question number 7. Use
4.
नहीं थोड़ा सा 4 in 7. देखो आपको हर एक चीज समझ आएगी, इसकी गारंटी है, मेरी नहीं भगवान की है. गॉड विल सी. जब मेहनत से काम करते हैं ना तो बरकत देने वाला खुदा होता है, जिसको हम वाइफ भी बोलते हैं ना, गॉड. ठीक है ना? हमारा काम मेहनत करना. ध्यान दीजिए, अपने आप समझ आएगा. ठीक है?
del cross E भी तो दिया है.
use del cross h is equal to use 4 in 7. ठीक है? ठीक है, क्या है? del cross E is equal to mu curly by curly D. This becomes curly D by okay. This becomes mu curly to T by curly D square, and this D is equal to epsilon into E. Epsilon into E. Use 2 in 8. Use 2 in 8. This becomes del cross E is equal to mu curly 2 by curly D square. Mu ठीक है?
Yes.
Epsilon is constant, taken outside, taken outside. तो क्या बन गया? Mu epsilon curly to E by curly T square. This is equation number 9. This is question number 9.
सर वो नेगेटिव का साइन का
कौन से? हाँ नेगेटिव का आएगा, नेगेटिव आएगा। यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे,
सर यहाँ पे क्या है?
इसको,
वहाँ से दिख नहीं रहा।
इसको,
अजीत को
आ जाओ बेटा, आगे आ जाओ, आ जाओ आगे आ जाओ। समझ आया? Are you getting all the points? प्रवेश भाई प्लीज, हेलो, क्या नाम है आपका? ध्यान दो इधर। Any doubt? See, I have solved the right hand side. I have solved the मैंने राइट हैंड साइड को सॉल्व कर लिया। आई हैव सॉल्व द राइट हैंड साइड बट आई हैव नॉट सॉल्व द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड। नाउ आई विल सॉल्व द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ द इक्वेशन नंबर 9। इक्वेशन नंबर 9, लेट अस डू इट। इसको इक्वेशन सॉल्व करते हैं। सी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लिख रहा हूं, वी हैव अ फार्मूला A क्रॉस B क्रॉस C जो हमने लंडन इक्वेशन में भी किया था। दिस फार्मूला वी हैव आल्सो यूज्ड इन लंडन इक्वेशन। A क्रॉस B क्रॉस C क्या आया? A डॉट C इनटू B वेक्टर माइनस A डॉट B इनटू C वेक्टर। लास्ट तो डेल क्रॉस C क्या बना? See, this is my A, this is my B, this is my C. So this become A dot C, del dot E into del minus del dot del into E. See, del dot E is 0. Del dot E is 0. This is Maxwell's fourth equation. Del dot E is 0. Why? See, del dot D is equal to 0 and D is equal to epsilon into E vector. So it will come in denominator, so del dot E is equal to 0. Now I will use this equation here. So it becomes del cross E is equal to 0 minus del dot del is del square. This becomes a del square. And del square is called a Laplace operator. It is called a Laplace operator. So this becomes minus del square. Okay, now use 10 in 9. Use 10 in 9. Use 10 in 9. We get minus del square E is equal to minus, ठीक है विवेक, minus mu epsilon curly to E by curly T square. Minus minus cancel, so this becomes del square E is equal to mu epsilon curly to E by curly T square. This is my electromagnetic wave equation for isotropic dielectric in terms of electric field. In terms of electric field. This is electromagnetic wave equation in terms of electric field, in terms of similarly H के लिए क्या हो जाएगी? H के लिए सेम हो जाएगी। Similarly for H this becomes del square H. Del square H is equal to mu epsilon into curly to H by curly T square. So I will write here. Similarly for H, this is question number 11. This becomes del square H is equal to mu epsilon curly to H by curly T square. This is question number 12. This is the electromagnetic wave equation in terms of magnetic field. In terms of magnetic field. और ये इक्वेशन हम ड्राइव भी कर सकते हैं। कैसे ड्राइव कर सकते हैं? जो सेकंड इक्वेशन थी हमारे पास उसका आपको लेना है कर्ल। उसका आपने क्या लेना है? taking care of both sides. ऐसे we can write this equation also by taking this equation del cross H is equal to curly D by curly D. Take care of both sides. Take care of both sides. So this will become del cross H is equal to del cross curly D by curly D. And this becomes curly by curly D del cross D. And this D becomes epsilon into E vector. And epsilon will get out from the del. And this will become epsilon into curly by curly D del cross E. Del cross E. And this del cross E is equal to minus curly B by curly D. Natural first equation. Okay. So this will become. See, what is the answer of this? The answer of this is minus del square H. Minus del square H. So minus del square H is equal to epsilon into curly by curly D. This becomes minus curly B by curly D. This equation. Because del cross is equal to minus curly B by curly D. Okay. So this becomes epsilon. This becomes minus epsilon curly 2 by curly T square into B. And what is B? B is equal to mu into H. B is equal to mu into H. So this will become minus minus cancel. This becomes del square H is equal to mu epsilon curly 2 H by curly D. This and this will be the same. Then ध्यान दो लास्ट आदित्य यादव. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन मैंने ड्राइव की है. ठीक है, I have derived this equation 12. I have derived the question number 12. Okay. Now what is the general wave equation? The general wave equation is, लिख लो. The general wave equation is del square psi is equal to 1 by v square. Last curly 2 psi by curly d square. This is my general wave equation. This is my general wave equation. Now compare 11, 12 and 13. See, 11 and 12 are same. 11 and 12 are same. Only difference is E get replaced by H. Only difference is E get replaced by H. And now compare 11 and 12 with 13. The only difference is E and H get replaced by psi, which is called wave function. Which is called a wave function. This E and H get replaced by psi, and mu epsilon get replaced by 1 by v square. 1 by v square. So I can write 1 by v square is equal to mu into epsilon. Mu into epsilon. So I will write here, compare 11, 12 with 13. With the 13 we get it. Okay, so what is my v? So what is v square? V square is equal to 1 over mu into epsilon. And what is v? Not under root. It's a square root. It is a square root of mu into epsilon. Mu into epsilon. So this is my equation number 14. This is my equation number 14. Okay, so those steps again. This is my equation number 14. And now see, we will use the this mu is equal to mu r. This mu is equal to mu r into mu naught, and this epsilon into is equal to epsilon r into epsilon naught. This mu r is called a relative permittivity, and this epsilon r is called a relative permittivity. ये आप 10 + 2 में करते हो. What is mu r? Mu r is equal to mu by mu naught. Mu by mu naught. This mu naught is the permittivity for free space. This mu is the permittivity for medium. This is the permittivity for medium. This is the permittivity for free space, and this is called a relative permittivity. Now use 15. Use 15 in 14. Use 15 in 14. Use 15 in 14. क्या है मेरे पास? We get V is equal to, this becomes mu is equal to mu r mu naught epsilon r epsilon naught square root के अंदर. Can I write like this? V is equal to 1 by mu r into epsilon r and mu naught into epsilon naught. कर सकता हूँ ना? I can do like this. Okay, मैंने अलग अलग कर दिया. I have to separate. What is this? 1 by mu naught into epsilon naught. This is called as C. This is called as velocity of light. This is question number 16. Speed of light, which is called a speed of light. So I will write here. We know that C is equal to 1 by mu naught into epsilon naught. This is called 17. This is the standard result. This is the standard result. C is equal to 1 by the square root of mu naught into epsilon naught. So use 17 in 16. Use 17 in 16. तो मेरा क्या आंसर आया? We get V is equal to C by mu r into epsilon r. So this is my answer. See, as mu r is greater than 1, epsilon r is greater than 1. If both the quantities are greater than 1, please tell me V will be greater than by C or V is less than C. अगर ये दोनों चीजें 1 से ज्यादा हो जाए तो बताइए V less than C होगा या V greater than C होगा? Please tell me V greater than C, this is true, or V less than C, this is true. Ramesh, which is true under this condition? Yes, this is true. This is a true. V will be less than C. Will be less than C. मतलब किसी भी मीडियम में वेलोसिटी क्या होती है? कम होती है. क्या होती है? Okay. And what is my electromagnetic wave equation for isotropic dielectric? This is the answer. Del square E is equal to mu epsilon into curly to E by curly T square. Del square H is equal to mu epsilon curly to H by curly T square. This is my electromagnetic wave equation. This is my electromagnetic wave equation for isotropic dielectric oblique non-conducting medium in terms of electric field vector and in terms of a magnetic field vector. Any doubt from this session? इतना ही काम. Any doubt? International. Are you getting all the points? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
भाई हिंदी वाला का समझ आया?
Yes sir.
E के लिए निकाल लो. E के लिए क्वेश्चन क्या आई? ये वाली आई. H के लिए आसानी से निकल जाएगी. दोनों को जनरल वेव क्वेश्चन के साथ कंपेयर किया तो ये आ गया. उसके बाद ये रिजल्ट यूज किया तुम्हारे पास ये क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. This is the electromagnetic wave equation for isotropic dielectric. Tomorrow we will do the electromagnetic wave equation for free space. For a
free space.
free space में क्या होगा? सारे का सारा सेम होगा. Only difference is
Mu naught.
mu get replaced by mu naught and epsilon get replaced by
Epsilon naught.
rest of the things will be same. Okay. Last. आराम से बैठो भाई. समझ आया? फ्री स्पेस के लिए ये क्वेश्चन क्या बन जाएगी? प्रवेश, what is the electromagnetic equation for free space? Only difference is this mu get replaced by mu naught and epsilon get replaced by. So what is the electromagnetic equation for free space? Del square E is equal to mu naught epsilon naught curly to E by curly T square and del square H is equal to mu naught epsilon naught curly to H by curly T square. So this is the electromagnetic wave equation for free space. अगर mu naught और epsilon naught आ रहा है तो फ्री स्पेस के लिए है. If nu and absent will appear, it means we are talking about some medium. Some medium. हिंदी वालों को समझ आया? अजीत समझ आया? कहाँ से? करुणा समझ आया? वो भी आपको समझ आया?